So thank you very much for my previous video for the likes. Thank you very much. I'm here again with another video, another weekly recap, like the US election week. So I was not able to post the video yesterday due to my schedule during the week, and I'm very slow at editing because I'm not yet good at it. So go with me as I share you my weekly recap. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, let's dive into my weekly recap, like the US election week, the trades I took. So here is my screen. These are some of the few trades I took. To start with, I'm going to my weekly time frame, how I saw that week. What really enticed me to take the trades I took. So here is the daily time frame. Let me go to the weekly time frame. Here is my weekly time frame. What happened last week was my bias for the week was bearish. And when I'm doing my weekly analysis, I don't go far to structure first, but already I've known the structure already before doing my, because time frame, one thing about time frame, you need to understand the power of time frame. You need to understand the power of time frame and how it works. Time frame is very important. Like this is candlestick charts, right? We have bar charts, we have line charts, but this is candlestick charts. So you're not just working with patterns, you understand? Also have to understand the candles, the kind of candles you have, then the kind of candles that form, which is the bearish candle and the bullish candle, right? So we have to understand how time frame work respectively of the time frame you have. If you have 1 minute time frame, like I said before in my previous video, you will see that there will be tons of, if you are in uptrend, you will see that bullish candles will be higher than bearish candle, right? So the same thing for weekly. So if you are in a bullish trend in the weekly time frame, you see more bullish candles than bearish candle, right? Then if you see a pullback pattern or pullback or retracement or reversal candlestick pattern, you will see that the candlestick will also communicate to you, you understand? Now we are seeing this shooting star or spinning top. I don't know the name like very well because I don't master it, but I know that this is kind of a pullback candlestick pattern, you understand? A pullback candlestick pattern, like buyers were very strong, they took the market upward, but sellers came in and they pulled the market backward, you understand? So selling pressures have started coming in here. So most likely the next candle should be bearish. So I was looking at bearish price like before for my weekly, but that is not my final destination because weekly time frame is not what I trade. But that means that I'm having that mindset that bullish or bearish pattern will come up depending on how I see the chart or the candlestick. So my weekly candle was bearish, you understand? Bearish. Then the daily time frame. The daily time frame, I was still looking at. Remember, we have like market normally do that three power of three stuff, from open, create the low, go up, induce, then create the close or something like that. Inverse is the case. So coming to the market now, which is on the 4th, right? On the 4th, yeah. So on the 4th, normally I didn't trade on Monday because there was no setup. I did not take any trade on Monday. Then on Tuesday was the election, right? So I didn't take any trade. I sit down and side, like I don't do anything. I didn't do anything in the market on Tuesday. I didn't do anything on the market on Tuesday. It was on Wednesday. I think it was on Wednesday I took the trade. So let me go to my 4-hour time frame. Everything here, I understand that market is coming to a particular key level, which is this zone. Let me map out this place. This place is a kind of demand zone or resistance. I seen it now. It's a strong resistance. Even though market don't respect that place, small candles, the market need pressure to break this place, right? It needs pressure. And even as that, we have to see some reactions to the upside. Like we have this first reaction here, we have the second reaction, and you see what market did that day. Market moved down impulsively in order to break this zone, to tell you that this zone is very strong. To tell you that this zone is very strong. So that is how demand zone work. Market don't just go and break demand zone like that, or they don't just go and break supply zone. They need that impulsiveness to break it, you understand? And it take news to break that kind of stuff or volatility in the market. So let's go down to my 4 hour to see the trades I took. So here is the 4 hour time frame. Look at the demand I was talking about in the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, look at the demand I was talking about. We have these reactions, reaction one, two. Then on Monday two, we had another reaction again from there. But I didn't take any trade on Monday. On Tuesday two, let me go straight to my 1 hour time frame. Don't want to waste time. Like the 1 hour time frame, I did not take this trade because I had trade on Euro USD. Let me go to the Euro USD. And I didn't take trade on Tuesday because of the US election. I did not take any trade. On Monday, I was supposed to take this trade, but look at the reason why I didn't take the trade. I know that we are going to have reaction from here, so I was looking at the bullish price, like any bearish movement I was having at that particular period of time was not relevant to me. So I was anticipating bullish day for the day. Then this big candle came up 9 o'clock in the morning, London session. I was not interested because of the candle was too huge. I cannot buy here and be waiting for, you understand, the stop loss will be too much. And it's not something like this. Once you see something like this and there is no news or anything, just know that market will surely come back to fill up that space. Market will come back to fill up the space. So I was not interested. That is not the kind of trade I take. Then let me go to Euro USD. Tell the trade I took. That was the first trade I took for the week, which was break even. Or a loud broker, that is one I use. So on Monday, I did not take any trade on Euro USD. Let me start with my weekly time frame. On Euro USD, already we see the previous week rejected from this fair value gap. So your mind should be telling you that we might have bearish price leg, and this is a kind of demand zone. You understand? This is the reaction you saw here, but the market was not willing to go up from there, so it respected the fair value gap and pushed down. I seen this huge week, so it pushed down. So I was anticipating bearish leg 2 on Euro USD on the weekly. Weekly was bearish, but my daily, mind you, when you're looking at the market, to mind you, like the power of 3 also work, which is the open, the low, the high, then the close. That power of 3 works very well in all time frame. So you have to be considering that stuff too. Then the daily time frame on Monday, right? On Monday I didn't take any trade too. On Euro USD, let's keep the vertical line on Monday. I did not take any trade. I did not take any trade. I only understand that this was a pullback. Look at this. Look at this other block here, which we are going to have reaction, no doubt, depending on the kind of reaction. So in the 15-minute time frame, I don't want to waste much time, so let me just dive in straight to the point. Let me dive straight into the point. Network is bad. On Monday we had a gap. On Monday we had a gap. Look at this gap. On Sunday, on Monday we had this gap. So I was even waiting for price to close that gap. I was waiting for price, but price did close that gap in the midnight, you understand? In the midnight, so I didn't take any trade. Look at it, price closed the gap. So I saw that impulsive movement to the downside, so I was anticipating on sell already. Then I have this shift in market structure. So we have this shift in market structure. Are you seeing this shift? Are you seeing the shift? When I saw that shift, I already know that market wants to continue the downtrend. You understand? With my strategy pattern of rest. So normally I was supposed to take a flip to mark from this candle body onto this one and take from 0.618. That's how I do normally, but I don't want to take the chance because of the fair value gap I'm seeing there. And like according to ICT, what I learned from ICT, they said that when you see a fair value gap, for you not to miss that fair value gap, just keep it at the beginning point of the fair value gap. Then if the stop loss is okay with you, you go with it. I was okay with this 56 pips stop loss. I was okay with that. So I took the trade there, then went in for a drawdown for about how many hours? Like 2 hours. Then we went down to 1:1. We went down to 1:1. Yeah, before we were took before the market took us out for break even, before the market took us out for break even. Then my second trade on Euro USD. This trade, I didn't take this trade live actually, this trade. But the same hour I took that trade on gold, that is when I took, because I have one win, then one break even. Understand? I'm also counting this one as a win because I was here. Supposing I took this in live, it could have been a win too. Then if you notice, it's 4 trades I took, this one and this one, 2 here on Euro USD, then 2 on gold. But my rules is that I don't take 2 trades at the same time. So the moment the hour I saw this setup, look at this is 7:45, right? Or let me see, 8 o'clock. The same hour I saw this setup, that is when I saw that setup on gold too. So I took the one on gold. I didn't take this one on Euro USD. So but it was a win too. The idea behind this trade is still the same thing. One thing is for you to understand this candlestick. Also communicate with this candlestick. Okay, if you are seeing a break of structure here, look at this break of structure. I already know that the market is on a demand zone, so the market is tracing upward or something now, and there is a lot of volume here for the market to fill. Is this sell side liquidity or something? So the market have to fill all those imbalances there. Then another thing that come to my mind, that why didn't I wait for this demand zone here, or this demand zone or discount level or this thing. Why I didn't wait for any of those stuff was because I understand the candlesticks and how they work and how they move. When the candlesticks are impulsive, when they are not impulsive, you understand. I understand all of that. When you see this price leg, you see there are a lot of demands here. Look at this demand. Look at another demand again. Even this stuff you are seeing here is a demand. I seen it. This stuff is a very good demand and a strong demand. This is a demand, this is a demand. I already understand all those stuff because I don't see price to come down to here because price operates with session. And this is London session we are talking about. If markets really want to go upward on London session, he has to just mitigate one of these nearest demand and go upward. You don't have to wait for days for you to get that. As a day trader, I want to take a trade for the day. I understand that the market will go up since we are bullish. So I set my limit here. Market was already here before I dropped it. I will post the screenshot of this trade. Then market hit it and went to our direction. We go for, supposing I take this trade before, it could have been a break even though, but anyhow, you see what I'm talking about. At least the bias was correct. So let me go to my gold trade. I don't want this video to be long. It's is long already. So here on my gold trade, let me go down to the daily time frame. This was Thursday, right? Imagine I'm doing this video. I'm trying to discipline myself. That's why I'm doing this because I have very bad character when it comes to trading. I'm not that disciplined yet, so I want to discipline myself. I know this YouTube channel will help me to discipline myself, so that's why I want you guys to be commenting and share your thoughts so that I will know what to do next. I'm basically doing this my channel to journal my trade and to discipline myself so that I will be taking one trade a day. Imagine last week I took only 3 trades. This week I took only 2 trades. You understand? One loss, one break even, one win, which is a up 3%. So it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. On Thursday, look at the reason why I took that trade on Thursday. This Wednesday, this is Thursday. This is the reason I took that buy. Are you seeing this? This is a very strong demand zone. This is a very strong demand zone. There was one line that I dropped here last week on my last week video. I don't know if you noticed. If you don't know, you can still go and check it. There was one line I dropped there. So this is a demand zone of which I'm interested in, you understand? I'm interested on, you understand? So I was looking for bullish price like that day, despite the fact that I saw this impulsive move to the downward side. There must be a reaction to the upside, even though the market will continue downward like this as you are seeing it now. Like I said before, there must be a reaction in key levels. I'm a day trader, you understand? So I have to take out every opportunity out of the market. Even though my weekly analysis is bullish or bearish, I have to be, you understand? That is how you take something out of the market. So I went to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, then I conditioned the market. If I'm to buy the market, I saw this down movement to the downside, this impulsive move from that other day candle, from that the other day. Then after then, I map out this line, this line you are seeing here. Let me delete this stuff so that the chart will be clear. So that the chart will be clean and clear. I use the horizontal ray to mark out this. Are you seeing this? To mark out this line, this high, that's key point. Then I also use the horizontal ray to mark out this point, I think here. So I conditioned the market that if I see a break to this down with just little candle or anything, if I see a break to this low here, I will take a sell. Then if I see market break this high, this key level you are seeing here, I will take a buy. That is the reason why I took that buy. Then markets went and broke this high here. Then I entered the market from this point. I'll post the screenshot. I entered the market from this point. I think the candle opened. It was a buy. So I entered the buy market from this level. I think I will still post the screenshot. Then my stop loss was about 80 something pips also. Yeah, I think this was my stop loss. Then reached the reward 1:3. Sometimes, majority of the time, I don't look an area I'm taking my profits. Once it is that 1:3, I take it. You understand? Sometimes I consider key levels. But this one, I target my reach to reward. Then that is how the trade went to my take profits, and it was a win for the week. So that is how my week went. This trade too, I saw this trade, but I didn't take it because of the 150 stop loss. I don't like it's too high for me. I didn't take the trade. I don't know why I didn't take the trade. I took that other trade instead. That other trade that hit me out for breaking. That is one of the reasons too. That's why I didn't take the trade, because I saw that one first. So I didn't take this one. I took only that one. Then during this day too, on Thursday, I saw this set of first before the Euro USD. I've already made up my mind that I would take this trade. so I didn't take that other one. If you look at it now, this is 7 o'clock candle, right? After the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock candle. If you go to the Euro USD, you see what I'm saying? Euro USD too. I seen it. Where I entered the buy was 8 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock in the morning. So thank you for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Please help your boy by subscribing to my channel, like and share the video if you really find it knowledgeable and interesting. Please do well to like and subscribe. So this week now, I'm not going to be trading on Monday. I'll be trading. I'll start trading from Tuesday. Then, if I don't see any setup on Tuesday, I'm not going to be taking any trade. But if I do see a setup, I will surely take a trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. I don't know. Well, let's see how the week goes. But I don't know. I'm not going to be taking more than 3 trades this week too. I believe. I'm not going to be taking more than 3 trades this week too. So thank you very much. Peace out.